Hello, welcome to my channel CodewallAcademy. In this video, we learn about artificial intelligence. Today's outline is what is AI, a brief intro of AI, advantages and disadvantages of AI. So, what is AI? It is the study of how to make a computers behave intelligently. Okay, artificial intelligence is the combination of two words, artificial and intelligence. The word artificial define man-made and intelligence define thinking power. Basically, we can say a machine which having the potential of man-made thinking capabilities are called artificial intelligence. Okay, so we can say that a machine who behave like a humans is known as artificial machines. So a brief intro of AI is that views of AI fall into four categories. That is the thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, acting rationally. Okay. So in the case of thinking humanly or acting humanly, thinking rationally and acting rationally, the thinking humanly is a cognitive approach. Okay. Thinking humanly is a cognitive approach used, and here basically a human brains compared like computer brains means here we look that this require getting inside of the human mind to see how it works and then comparing our computer program to this. Okay, this means what actually human thinks, how they take decisions. As a similar, we try to put this in a computer system so that it take a decisions like humans. Okay, so here we define this require getting inside of human's mind, okay, to see how it works and then comparing our computer program to this. Okay, so this is possible. This is possible like computers things like a human, but if we compare this into a coding format by using data structures and by using a data structures and also with the taking help of different types of algorithms which make a computer system to be a capable like that take decisions and perform actions like humans. Okay, so another way to do this is observe a human's problem solving and argue that one's problem go about problem solving in a similar way. Okay, so the best example is GPS, where it stands for General Problem Solver, was an early computers programs that attempted to model human thinking. Okay, so GPS is an examples of thinking humanly. Okay, and in the term of thinking rationally. Okay, rationally, the term rationally means right. Okay, so rational decisions and thoughts are based on reason rather than on emotion. Okay, rational thoughts is a thinking that is logically structured and which takes into account established fact. Okay, in the term of thinking rationally, it follows the approach that is the law of thought approach. Okay, so thinking rationally follow the approach which is law of thought approach, that is possible with right thinking and also require 100% knowledge for a particular problem, for solving a particular problems. Okay, so in the case of the thinking rationally, there is a two terms needs, that is one is uh, rational knowledge. It means, I mean to say, knowledge required, it requires knowledge 100%. Okay, 100% knowledge required for rational thinking. And next term is that next term is, we can say that next term is right thinking. Right thinking is a major concept. Okay, so right thinking is a very important concept in term of thinking rationally. Okay, so now the another thing is acting humanly. Okay, in the term of acting humanly, it follow the approach of cognitive approach. No, acting humanly is follow the approach that is Turing. Okay, Turing test. Okay, So in this approach, the first proposal for success in building a program and app so mainly was the Turing test. To be considered intelligent, a program must be able to act sufficiently like a human to fool and interrogators. A human interrogates the programs and another humans by a terminal simultaneously. Okay. Advantages of AI. High speed. AI system can be of very high speed and fast decision making so that it can be chase champions. Okay. Another thing is useful for risky area. AI machine helps human beings to solve their problems where a lot of crowd available and it is not easy to handle by human beings. And the third advantages of AI is high reliable. Okay, it means AI machines are highly reliable and can perform the same action multiple times with a high accuracy. Okay, it means it can perform same task multiple times without any error. Okay, it means to say with a high accuracy. And in the term of disadvantages of AI, so that is a no feeling, no emotion. AI machine do not have any kind of emotional attachment with the human beings, and for this reason it may sometimes harmful for the users if the proper care is not taken. Increased dependency on machine. Next disadvantage of AI is increased dependency on machine. With the increment of technology, people are getting more dependent on device, hence they are losing their mental capabilities. Okay. And the third thing is high cost. The hardware and the software requirement of AI is a very costly and it requires a lot of maintenance to meet current world requirement. Okay, so that's all for today's videos. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe it and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching my video and see you in next video.